Hey beautiful, thank you so much for joining today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a 420 inspired makeup look. I don't want to say any more so that people can see, the most amount of people can see this video possible. I know YouTube doesn't like certain words, so we're not going to get into that. If you know, you know. I also am going to be posting something on my TikTok, so if you want a sneak peek or if you want updates, I have an idea that I'm not gonna say yet. Some people already know, but I think I'm gonna be posting it on TikTok first. So if you want to see that before everyone else, then go follow my TikTok. It's getting way more views than I thought, and that's awesome. And also go follow my Instagram if you want. I try to be active over there. I post my selfies from my makeup tutorials over there, so if you want my photo dump, then go head over there and give me a like. As much as I want my videos to be lighthearted and, you know, be an escape for you guys, I still want to talk about things that are important. I just got out of my Chicana feminist class and I love that class. It's literally probably the best class I've ever taken. It's like a really big stretch to say because I've taken so many classes in college, but I honestly think that that's my favorite class I've ever taken so far. Not including graphic design because that's like a whole different subject, whatever, but I basically just wanted to say at the beginning of this video that my heart goes out to Dante Wright's mother and his family and his girlfriend and his kid. It's really messed up that this stuff continues to happen in our country. It absolutely makes me sick to my stomach, and along with the trans community being attacked, so many people are killed that we don't even know about, and then the Asian community is being attacked because people are just, it's so messed up. You cannot blame a race for the virus. Like, it's not right at all, and my heart goes out to all the victims, and it's just, God, it makes me very angry, but please keep using your voice to talk about it and to spread awareness for people who don't know. And yeah, I saw this quote online, but if you don't know the difference between a taser and a gun, then you probably shouldn't be a police officer. It's absolutely disgusting. So yeah, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and I'm literally just going to be like, I thought it might be fun if I do my highlight on camera, but I'm going to be doing my face off camera and I'll come back for all the exciting stuff. So yeah, that's literally it. I just wanted to say all of that before we get started because I want to keep saying all this. I want people to know that I'm an ally and that I'm standing with you. The whole LGBTQA+ community, I stand with you, and yeah, it's just awful, this world sometimes. So I'm using the Rare Beauty Enchant highlight. There's this woman I follow on Instagram. I don't know like her exact username on the top of my head. It's like Oda Glam or something like that. I'll put it right here. But she posted this one photo. I think it was her. It honestly could have been somebody else. I follow so many MUAs, but I'll include like a photo. But I love how their skin literally looked like glass. So I'm gonna just pack on the highlight for today. And I finally have an excuse to wear my green earrings. I was waiting for another video idea that I have, but I'm gonna keep pushing these ideas back, and I have them in my little video idea notebook. So I will come back to it, but just know. Okay, now that we have the face beat to the gods with highlight, I'm gonna just tell you that I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna go do my base and I will be RB. I hate the way I said that. Okay, wait, did you guys see my nails? I used light slacker. I didn't do the squiggles on my right hand because I'm right-handed, but trust me, you better believe I can do a little nail art with my left hand. I did it before. You can see it in my high-end makeup video. Okay, BRB. I totally forgot to say the candle of the day. Oh my god. It is eucalyptus mint, same from my video that I just filmed the other day, but I don't know if you've already seen that yet, but I got it from Marshall's. Be right back, guys. Okay, you guys, so sorry that I had to film some of that on my phone, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and call this the blank queen. So, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and please make sure to check out my TikTok. I would really appreciate that as well. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and push the notification bell so you can be here right when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!